Yo, what's up smart people? Kali ini kita mau jalan-jalan ke The Baywalk. Ngapain? Baywalk?
Pangkas rambut tadi.
Pangkas rambut.
Bagus sob.
Tapi yang kerennya kita perginya pakai
Get your motor running. Head out on the highway. Looking for adventure. And whatever comes up.
kita udah sampai di The Baywalk. Come on.
In a love embrace. Fire all of the guns at once and explode into space. I love smoking lightning. Heavy metal thunder. Racing with the wind. And the feeling that I'm under.
Penting di Barbershop
Yeah, I got
The Baywalk, Mantan.